How to track keyword rankings in SEMrush. If you're serious about SEO, tracking keyword rankings isn't optional, it's essential. And SEMrush makes this process super smooth. When you log into SEMrush, head straight to the position tracking tool. It allows you to add your domain and the exact keywords you're targeting. The beauty? It doesn't just show you where you rank, but also how those positions change over time, helping you instantly detect what's working and what needs fixing. For example, if your blog post on best budget headphones slips from position number 4 to number 8, you'll see it right away. This gives you time to update your content, refresh metadata, or build new backlinks before traffic drops further. SEMrush also lets you compare mobile versus desktop rankings, track specific geographic locations, and even benchmark against competitors. It's incredibly powerful, especially for bloggers, small businesses, or affiliate marketers who need precise SEO data at their fingertips. Join SEMrush for free. The link is in the description. Whether you're managing your own site or handling client SEO, this tool gives you clarity and control over your keyword strategy like never before.